Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can disable the low battery notification on your Chromebook. By default in Chrome OS they will try to notify you when the battery is about to run out, and I think the audio cue may be useful just to let you know that the device needs to be recharged, and maybe it is a good thing to do when you are still working on your project and you don't want to lose the progress that you have made on your work. Overall, I think it is a great feature. However, maybe in some cases you want to just keep the device quiet and silence. For example, if you are working in a library, I don't think it's a great idea to introduce any more noise. So here's how you can disable the low battery sound notification on your Chromebook. Let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing that you need to do is you have to open the settings page. You can click the launcher menu and then click settings, and you want to navigate to the device menu on the left side of the screen, and you want to select the audio setting, and after that you want to scroll down a little bit and you have these options for device sound. There is a low battery sound, there is charging sounds, and there's also the device startup sound. By default, the low battery sound is the only one that is enabled, but of course we want to disable it. And now there will be no more audio notification when you are running out of battery or when the battery is low. So yeah, that's really as simple as that, but just keep in mind that to always check the battery level on your device. Just make sure that you are not running too low and you still have some time to save all your progress before you're turning off your device. But anyway, that's exactly how you do it. And if you find this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. It will really help me out, and I'll see you on the next Chromebook tutorial videos.